When you wake up in the morning, you don't want just any dull cup of coffee. You want something that tastes fresh. COSORI's pour-over coffee maker is here to give you what you deserve. Whether you like a more intense flavor, a stronger brew, or something with a little more heat, the dual-layer 304 stainless steel will filter out the impurities but keep the flavor nuances. The 8-cup decanter holds enough for you and any guest that may need a pick-me-up, if you want to share. If your masterpiece brew starts getting cold, just reheat the decanter on low on your stovetop. When you're all done and satisfied, put the filter and decanter in the dishwasher. And if you're not sure where to start, our manual has a starter guide to brewing the best pour-over coffee. However you decide to brew it with COSORI's pour-over coffee maker.
Hi, I'm Beck Doyle with Finedine. Whether you're sending a child to college, buying a wedding gift, or seeking to upgrade your kitchen, this stainless steel 10-piece utensil set from Finedine has everything you need. The set includes a skimmer spoon, a basting spoon, a spaghetti server, a ladle, a slotted spatula, a normal spatula, a potato masher, a whisk, and tongs. Each utensil is made of high quality and food-safe stainless steel that will not crack and resist dents and chips that attract bacteria. This steel won't absorb stains or flavors, and every piece but the tongs features a hole in the handle for easy hanging. Instead of searching around in a cluttered drawer, neatly store all the utensils in their metal caddy on your countertop. Cleanup is a cinch. Simply hand wash the utensils or toss them in the dishwasher for easy cleaning. If you're looking for a high-quality kitchen utensil set that meets the needs of any amateur or professional cooking enthusiast, you just found it.